Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Yo, it's Tuesday right now and I'm ready to go to work. It's another ride along with me, y'all. So it's 8:58 right now. 8:58. Let's go get our first order. Let's go get our first order, you guys. First order of that day. I just received my first order, you guys. $23, a shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 26 items. It's going, I think it's in 4 miles. So let's go ahead and shop this order. Yo, it's been a minute waiting for people to come open here, and I just went because here it's connected to the pharmacy. So I just went to ask them. They say you have to go to customer service because they don't have a key. It's annoying why they don't give them a key so people can just go there and ask if they can come open, instead of going all the way to customer service and tell them, hey, I need it. Oh my God. I think that's how coming. Is it? I think somebody's coming to open. Just received my next order, my second order, you guys. $33. It's going 12 miles, and I'm dropping 3 drop-offs. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out because it's already past my starting time. So let's wait for them. I think that's mine. He's done loading everything in my car, so let's go drop my first drop off, which is 8 minutes. We're only going 8 minutes, y'all. Let's go. I just dropped my first order. She was waiting for me outside, so let's go drop our next one, our second order. my last drop off, yeah. Last drop off. Yo, this order took me very far from my Walmart. So now I have to drive 20 minutes, y'all, going back to my Walmart. 20 good minutes. Receive another order, $19. Oh, let's go there. $19, y'all. It's going to Mayo's, and I'm only going to shop for 6 items. So let's go. Yo, it's almost 1. It's 12:50 something, and I just received a good order. This is one of the good order, decent order. $28, going 7 miles, and it's only 2 drop off. So one of the best orders out there, only 2 drop off. So I'm waiting for the pickup time. Pickup time is 1:05, and let's sit here, chill, and wait for an order. It's too hot, y'all. Let me open the windows. It's too hot. My second drop off, it's only 3 minutes from here, so I'm loving it. I am loving it. Let's go drop it off. One of the big order, the biggest order, y'all. Oh. $11. It's going to Mayo, and I had to shop for 6 items. So let's go and check out. I just received another order, $19, a shopping order, $19. It's going 5 miles, and I have to shop for, what's it? How many items? I don't remember how many items, y'all. I'm sorry. I forgot. And I don't want to say wrong stuff. I forgot how many items. But let's go shopping. $5. I'm shopping for 30 items, and it's going, I think, yo, I don't remember how many miles. But you're gonna see on the screen. I don't remember. But it's a good order. Good order. No, done. It seems a lot, but yo, it didn't take me no time. Everything was like in each row. I would take like 3 items, 4 items. So it was easy shop. One of the easy shop. So let's go check out. Yeah, it's 5:25 right now, so let's go deliver this order. And we're going only 5 minutes, so it was only 1 mile. Yeah, it was 1 mile, 35 from 1 mile. Wow, such a great order. I haven't closed my trunk, I forget about it. So 5:25, and I think it's going to be my last one. I think. Okay, let's deliver. Yo, my day ends right here. It's 5:40 right now. 5:40. I'm done with my shift, and altogether I did for the whole entire morning. I mean, the whole entire day. I did seven orders, y'all. 7 orders, and guess how much I made? I mean, it was not busy and it was not slow, you know. Order was coming here and there, and I managed to make $171. From what time did I start today? Was it 9? I don't remember what time I started. I think it was 9. From 9 to 5, y'all, almost 6. So we did that, y'all. We did that. It was not busy and it was not slow. It was just in the middle. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Let me know how was your day over there in a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, y'all. Don't forget to comment. All right, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.